Let's do some unboxings. This is for insurance, documenting what I got, because I just don't trust these sellers. I got suspicious packages. Basically, it's supposed to be a solar inverter. I mean, not inverter, charge controller, but without warranty, and the platform says that it's okay to give it without warranty, so I'm going to return it probably. But I want to see inside if there's a warranty paper or something. But I'm not spending that kind of money to get absolutely no warranty and in 2 months it breaks. So let's see. Absolutely nothing in the package, just this solar charge controller, app control, GPRS. No! I'm mostly interested in this, if it can do MPPT. But I just don't believe Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPRS app. This can't be. And here it says EVAT Master Consulting GmbH. That's a German company or whatever. It has a more proper email address, at least, not Gmail. And oh yeah, sorry, I spoke too soon. Look. So it's a Chinese manufacturer and it's from Quipuning Outlook.com. Made in China, of course, here. And it's not sealed. You can just open it. No stickers, nothing. And here's the charge controller. And a manual. Stick to the back of it. But yeah, I have no faith. It's of course in Chinese, but it mentions no Wi-Fi or app access or anything like that. That is just BS. Yeah, float, charge, discharge, disconnect, solar panel, solar panel. What? Oh, that's when it starts. Okay. Wait. So basically there's absolutely no app control. That is bullshit. That is just bullshit. It has no Bluetooth indicator anywhere. It just has USB. 2 amp. Okay, that's kind of nice to have 2 amp charging from here. But there's no Bluetooth, man. Solar charge controller. And it doesn't say MPPT. That's just wonderful. So, it's kind of heavy. I have to guess that it has some extra things compared to my other one. But yeah, what are these two here? Has 2 plugs for what? It doesn't even say. Why do we have 2 plugs here? Yeah. It doesn't say. Oh, it's just the... Here it is. if you don't want to hook them up in the screwy cable holdy thing there. What do you call that? Then you can use barrel jack plugs for the output and the input. Okay, that's kind of nice-ish, but this is like 20 bucks, and the average price of a cheap crap solar controller is like 5 maybe. PWM, not MPPT. So if there's no warranty, I'm sending it back. This is a waste of money, and it doesn't have app control, GPRS and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe let's try to open it. Can I try to open it? Is it against the rules? I just want to gently open up the back. Crappy screwdriver. I will just open it, make sure there's no Bluetooth antenna, and get the fuck out of here. And yeah. This is just crap. Let me go a bit further. The things don't even touch properly. This should be a heat sink. The back should be a heat sink. Ah boy. Like that. Let's go a bit further. As you can see, the circuit board is bent. So, yeah. Let's just see. If it has a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi antenna, I may consider keeping it. Otherwise, I don't think so. So these are the small screws. Oh, they are the same screws. At least that they got right. All these cheap Chinese manufacturers don't bother with Torx and different length screws to complicate things. They are all standard. So let's see. Ta-da! I'd say this is exactly like my cheap controller. Cheap. It doesn't have any additional components. I mean, any. Oh, it has a temperature sensor here. That's kind of nice. It has a temperature sensor. But no Bluetooth and crap like that. Don't try to bullshit me, okay? No Wi-Fi and app access and stuff like that. That is just a lie. Here's the model number, I think. Yeah. Okay, so there's the capacitor even. The 3 buttons. The 2 to 4 small little chips here. And 2 chips in the under the screen. This has also 2. The exact same, I mean, very similar chips. Okay, this is going back. I'm not even going to try it on. I'm not going to turn it on because this is basically the same thing in a bigger box. So it's going back. Oh boy. I don't know why. I guess I panicked when my old charge controller burned down, and I just bought something, ordered something. Quickly, let's replace it with something better. Okay, but it has no warranty, and build quality is crap. These heat things don't touch the back, so it can easily overheat. I mean, yeah, I would have used it with just like 2 amps. But still, if it doesn't even touch the back, that is not very appropriate. Let's reassemble it and send it back. This is... I mean, if it had warranty. If it had warranty or Bluetooth. Those are the 2 scenarios that I would have kept it. Warranty and Bluetooth. So yeah, for future reference. If you want to sell me something, just make sure it has warranty or Bluetooth. If it has both, I already bought it. I don't even care what it is. It could be a coffee mug. If it has warranty and Bluetooth, I'm buying it. So yeah, this is going on the disappointment pile, or what do you call it? And a couple of smart things on it, I have to admit. But it's mostly the exact same thing, and as in this, this is the one that burned out and doesn't turn on anymore. I will salvage the components, switches, capacitors, whatever. Oh yeah, this one actually touched the back. And this isn't even rated for that much, like for 10 amps officially. But it burned out with 2 amps. 1 amp realistically, because it's winter time and it never got more than 1 amp from the solar panel. 20 volts, 1 amp. So yeah, you're going back, little feller. Maybe somebody else will catch you when you're bigger. And yeah. So it doesn't say it has warranty. This is your last chance, little fellow. If there's any indication that this has warranty, maybe I should try the QR code. I don't think so. So yeah. GPRS or Bluetooth Wi-Fi remote monitoring. I mean, yeah, of course, it has that. If you add it to the system, if you add the separate thing into the system. Okay, next. Next we have 2 screen mounts, I mean TV mounts. I'm keeping these no matter what, because they were really cheap, like $5 a piece. And I really need these to complete my setup. Right now I have a 46-inch TV and a bunch of small monitors, but the small monitors are not arranged very well. I need them to move around a bit. And let's open one of these up. This is a nice little arm that exaggerates a lot because on the website it said 20 kilos. So it's probably not that strong, but I only needed to hold like a 5-kilogram monitor. I don't think they weigh more, especially the new ones that are only plastic, no metal at all. A piece of glass and a piece of plastic, and maybe a capacitor or two. Come on. Yeah, well, the packaging is shit, but so yeah, this was $5. Let's call it $6. I don't know the exact exchange rate. We have all the screws. What? Oh yeah, three mounting. What's with these? Oh, these are not the mounting stuff. These are the things that go out to grab bigger monitors. I mean TVs. Okay. Screws. And there are only 3, so that must be how they designed it. It's a big fellow. Man, I can't even get it into frame. So this is a 20 by 20 by default. 20 by 20 Vesa stand. Let's measure it. Yeah, 20 by 20 between the outer holes. And you can also mount these to add another. So it can reach 40 by 40 with these little things. Yeah, and what I wanted to verify, these are kind of sturdy. Let's get it out here. Oh yeah, it needs 3 screws, but these are redundant. In an average wall that is not concrete, even in concrete, you don't have to place 2 screws that close together. 1 will do the job. So 2 theoretically go there and 1 here. Okay, this seems sturdy as fuck. And you can even tilt it. That's nice. And you tighten it with this screw. Man, for $6, this is awesome. And the length, let's just check that. That may be interesting. To see how big of a TV can you mount on the wall and turn it vertically to the wall. I mean, to have it in a 90-degree angle with the screen side almost touching the wall. So that's this distance from this plate to the back, and that's exactly as described, as specified, 40 centimeters. So the total screen or monitor can be 80 centimeters, and you can still turn it in a 90-degree angle. That's kind of awesome. But yeah, that does limit you to maybe a 40-inch. How much is the average 32-inch? Oh, the average 32-inch is like 70 centimeters. So yeah, maybe 37 inches, 40. Okay, I give this a thumbs up. For $6, this is awesome. And maybe I'll even mount two monitors on one of these, because it can hold it, no problem. And maybe that was my original plan, to fit two monitors but with these little guys. I don't know if this will work, to mount them like this and reach the VESA 10 holes of the screen up top and in the bottom too. We'll have to see. Maybe I'll have to drill some holes, but at least this is sturdy. I can work with this. This will work. Okay, that's about it. See you next video.